What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Betty here. Hope you guys are having a good day, because I know I am. Right now I'm on my way to Home Depot, not because I'm Mexican, but because I need to go get zip ties, butt connectors, and wire, just in case I need to extend some wires. And I need zip ties to zip tie everything to the frame of the car. I thought I had some, but the zip ties ended up being short as fuck, and they're just not gonna be long enough to do what they gotta do. So that's where I'm gonna head over to right now, to Home Depot, to get that stuff, and then we'll get started on with the car. All right, you guys, I got what I needed. So let's go back, head back. Let's go back to the to working on the S. Let's go ahead and do that wire tuck real quick, or that wire reroute. Okay, so we're back here with the S2000, all the wirings right here. Right now, I just came over here to look to see, kind of figure out everything. I took off some stuff that it had, just because some wires were kind of crisscrossed, and so I pushed this back right now as well. I'm looking to about probably extending a couple wires. I'm probably gonna have to extend this. This goes to the power steering module. Also, I think this one we're fine with this one. This one also goes to it, but this one is its own thing over here. So we're gonna have to probably extend this one. I'm 100% sure this one too. I think it was this one. Yeah, but anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and push all this wiring back. We're gonna move whatever's in the back, restricting it because I can't push it really back there right now. Something's blocking it, so we're gonna go ahead and see what's back there, so I can move out the way and then push all this wiring through, and then see where we're gonna set up the fuse box and everything. All right, so as we're diving deeper and deeper, we're not running into any problems or anything, but I got all the wiring in. I'm gonna have to extend a couple wires for the power steering, this thing right here. So now with this thing, I'm gonna have to put it over here, so I don't have to extend this wire. I wanted it right there. It'd have been easier, but it'll be better over there because it'll be even easier. Now the only issue is that I'm gonna have to take off this. I'm gonna have to take all this off. The fender, the whole fender itself, basically, because I'm gonna need to drill into there and, you know, bolt it on and whatnot. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take this off, but I do not feel like doing that right now. So instead, we're gonna go ahead and just reroute all the wiring through, make sure it's all nice and neat and tucked, and then yeah, I think we'll be good for that, and then we'll go ahead and take this off some other time. Alright, so a quick update of what's going on. So basically, two of these wires I had to extend. It's there are these ones right here, as you guys can see. So they were all the way like back to down here. Extended them all this much because that's how much I needed to extend them. Well, at least I'm giving it a little bit extra slack, just in case. I didn't really measure it. I just measured it with my arm length and the car length and whatnot. So now I'm gonna run it back through there, down to here, because this is for the power steering. So let's continue. quick update on what's going on, just because I kind of fucked up, but not really. I already fixed the problem. So anyways, let me get to it. Let me explain it. So the wires that I thought originally were for the power steering were these ones. These are not for the power steering. This is for the horn and the AC condenser. So I had to like, what the fuck, where are those wires at? I couldn't find those wires. They were kind of dangling back here, like hiding, so I pulled them out. So I still got to extend one, but I need bigger gauge. And then I extended this other one already, that's already connected, but the line's gonna run down through under this brace bar right here, and then just connect right here, and they connect right here and right over there. So other than that, I kind of got that already out of the way. I just need to extend, like I said, this one, which is no big deal, but I'm already running the wire through right here. It's all like, it's hanging there. Alright, you guys, as I was saying, I wrapped up I got the harness running through the frame. I have it like just hanging, tied up, not fully tied up with the zip tie, but it's hanging from the zip tie. So I got it running through. I just need to extend that other wire, those other two wires. My hands are dirty. Sorry, my hands were dirty. I had to, my hands were dirty and I couldn't touch Jamie's seat, so I had to go wash my hands because I'm on my way to pick her up, and her seat is pink, as you guys know. So that will be bad. But anyways, as I was saying, I have the harness running through the frame of the body, hanging by zip ties. The zip ties aren't like zipped all the way, but I will be doing that once I get everything good and secured for sure from the front side. So that way I know I have enough slack and enough play just to plug in everything in case I need to. But yeah, like I was saying, other than that, I'm gonna have to cut off the one wire that go to the power steering, and then I'm gonna have to extend, I think, a couple more wires for the power steering module. But other than that, it looks like we're going pretty good. I'm liking where I'm gonna have to take off the fender, like I said. I'll probably end up doing that one tomorrow. But anyways, we're going pretty good. We're heading with this the fuse box relocation and the battery. The battery I might end up putting like right behind the driver's seat, because it'd be more convenient, a little bit more convenient than the truck. That way it's not locked up in there, but hopefully it fits. If not, it's gonna push to shove. It's gonna have to go in the trunk, but we'll see. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, leave a like, or comment down, I don't know, whatever you want to comment. But also go ahead and check out our shop online, hit the links down below. And if you've seen any products that you see any products in the video that you like, I have probably the links are down below. If not, I have products that I've used in the past. Go ahead and click those and you can buy the product. You can buy the product. It's faster and easier instead of having to go look for or comment and DM me and asking me what it's about. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.